All right, a quick update on severe weather prospects here. We have been watching this green circle pretty much all day across upstate New York into Pennsylvania, Syracuse, Binghamton, Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, Albany, Altoona, Harrisburg. We just haven't had anything fire. We just haven't had enough instability here on the northern edge of this warm front. You see, we are getting some lightning strikes here around Oswego, New York. As we get in down to the Finger Lakes, we had some special weather statements earlier with some gusty winds up to 45 miles per hour. But you know what? We just haven't had any severe thunderstorm warnings, and it's been pretty nil down in here into parts of central Pennsylvania. I don't really expect any explosive development up here, but this is where we're starting to get some problems here in Ohio. My viewers in Ohio, you're probably going to want to watch this as time wears on here, especially if you live in Dayton, Columbus area, Cincinnati, because take a look what's just to your west here. So if we take a look at this tornado warning, now it doesn't look like they're really extending it farther east, so that's good news. Till 7:30 p.m., radar indicated. So it is a radar indicated tornado, but nevertheless, take a look at this. It's in a very rural area, which is good, but it's not good for the people there. It's heading towards just north. It's heading towards the Columbus area. So even if it doesn't make it to Columbus here as a tornado, you're going to have damaging straight line winds down and through here. So you're going to want to watch that. It's really bowing out here. So would not be surprised if you get 65, 75 mile per hour gusts out of some of these. So we head down through the line here. This right here, if you take a look, let's get off this. Here we go. This is basically the red circle of death I was talking about earlier. So if we take a look at these severe thunderstorm warnings here. So we're going to get into the radar here. This is becoming more of a damaging straight line wind event, which I suppose is better than a tornado threat, but you're going to have widespread wind damage here. So if you take a look here towards Clarksville, Bowling Green, look at this. So Clarksville, Bowling Green, you're under warnings here. So this area, you see how this is bowing out? You got a lot of lightning up here, just south of Hartford. This line is moving east very quickly. And if we head down here on the southern portion of this line, we start to get into, here's Louisiana, and here is Mississippi. So take a look at northern Mississippi here. We have another tornado warning. So let's get into the radar here. So this is a pretty big tornado warning here. So let's load the radar. So Faulkner, Walnut, Ripley, Ashland, you're pretty much, oh, that's not a very good. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this radar. All right. So there's some rotation going on here. So take a look at this. Let's see what we got. So yeah, Faulkner, Walnut, it's pretty much through you. They've extended the severe thunderstorm warning. So this is, once again, take a look at all that lightning. That is a crazy amount of lightning going on here. Take a look at that as that moves through. There we go. Got our lightning feedback. So look at this. This area here over to Burnsville. Yeah, you're going to be seeing some damaging straight line wind, probably in excess of 70, 75 mile per hour, pretty easily out of this. And then we head to the southern part of the line down and through central Mississippi here. Take a look at this. See if we can get a better radar view out of this. So we got another tornado warning. Couple more tornado warnings here. So this is damaging winds, straight line winds down and through here. And we get into Jackson, Mississippi here. Look at this. This is a Jackson, Mississippi tornado warning here. This is moving to the northeast, so it has moved mostly through the Jackson area. They have not extended this further east. In fact, I don't see a severe thunderstorm warning either, but this tornado warning, it is until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time here. So yeah, that's probably good news. That is weakening, but look at the structure here. It's a classic supercell. So you probably, if you're to the northeast here, it is rural area. This is good. Lena, Walnut Grove, Standing Pine, up to Carthage. Yeah, you're probably going to have some issues up here with damaging winds. You might want to watch because sometimes these can spin up tornadoes well to the northeast once they move and redevelop. So, and then we're getting a damaging straight line wind event here in the Jonesville area and St. Joseph's area as well. And here we got some tornado watch boxes down and through here too, so into Louisiana. So we got another mesoscale discussion. Let's just take a look at that radar real quick here before we wrap this severe. Oh, look at this. What do we got going on up here? We got more tornado warnings Wow. Yeah, let's take a look at this real quick. We have multiple tornado warnings. This is a new tornado warning. What's going on up here? Let's take a look. This is East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Central Madison Parish in northeast Louisiana, and North Warren County in west central Mississippi. Issaquah County in west central Mississippi. I probably butchered that. In South Starkey County in west central Mississippi. So this system, yeah, this is a very large potential tornado. And look at, you can see there's multiple spin-ups here on the radar. So yeah, you're going to want to watch this. So as we head through the evening here, if I see anything really earth-shaking, I will break back onto here to a video feed. But that's what we have going on at the current moment. And for those of you that are in my Ohio viewing area, yeah, definitely watch as the time wears on. This is going to become more of a bow echo as it moves to the northeast.